Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video we will see how to add Redux support in React application. Redux is an open source library that allows React component to read data from Redux store and Reducer dispatch actions to store to update the data. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn React? Well, I have a good news for all who want to be a React developer. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all React training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. For this purpose, we will open command prompt, go to project location and install Redux. npm install Redux. npm install React Redux. Create a new folder Redux under src. And create reducer.js and configure store.js in it. Now, move the import of shared files from main component to reducer file. Now, create an initial state const and move state from main component to reducer. Also, declare a reducer that takes state and action as input and returns the updated state. Now in configure store we will create our Redux store. For that purpose, let's add some imports. Add configure store const and create a store using reducer and initial state and return the store. To add Redux store and make it accessible, we will wrap our code in app component under provider from Redux, and pass the store we get from the configure store. Now, as we have removed state from main component before, to use Redux state here, we will add map state to props that will return the state species and leaders. Now, wrap the main in connect using map state to props in export statement. And wrap the entire thing using with router. Now, replace this .state to this .props to make map state to props work. This finally gives us export default with router, connect, map state to props, main. Let's understand this piece of code. Here, with router is a higher order component that pass updated match, location, and history props to the wrapped component whenever it renders. Next, connect is a function allows us to connect React component with Redux store. And last, map state to props is the props that is used to extract the global state and use it into the existing component. If we refresh the browser and check, everything is working correctly in our React application. So, we have seen how to add Redux support in our React application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.